How to set live wallpapers on iPhone. Live effect when wake up iPhone. Create live wallpaper from any video. Support iOS 18. First, open Pinterest app, then find video wallpaper. Example, I will choose this video. Press share button, then copy video link. Open Safari web browser and enter this website. Paste copied video link into here, then download. Force download video. Save video to iPhone photo. Video downloaded from Pinterest. Next, open App Store, then install app. InLive application. Select Live Wallpaper Maker. Import downloaded video. Press this button to create live photo from this video. Live photo created. Press and hold to active live photo. Now set wallpaper with created live photo. Active live motion. Try with another video. Thanks for watching video.